Oh, pretty much that story takes us to our second breather here on KTN Prime. But before we do, let's just have a look at what you will wake up to tomorrow morning on Kenya's bold newspaper, that is The Standard. And on the front page, they say Untouchable cop. They go ahead to say search for truth. A young woman is fighting for her life after she was allegedly pushed from a 6th-floor apartment in Kasarani, leaving her paralyzed. And they say at the center of the allegations is a police officer who was demoted from OCS rank over alcoholism. Now, 4 days later, they say the officer, whose whereabouts detectives know, has not been arrested, prompting fresh questions over the pace and handling of the investigations. That was, of course, our top story tonight, and you can get more details in regards to that on tomorrow's edition of Kenya's bold newspaper on page 4. Not only that, but also many other stories making headlines, not just here in the country, but also across or beyond our borders. For now, we take a brief break. We'll be back with more, including the latest in the world of business with Mr. Moneybags, that is Kelly Boss. Do stay with us.